Bob Soka, IB Masters Learning Center at IBMasters.com, and today we're going to look at the 26th question from the Digital SAT Test 3, Module 1. Number 26 is a bulleted question. Remember, for a bulleted question, don't read the bullets. Sounds counterintuitive. Your teachers always tell you to read the whole thing. Don't do it. Why? Because everything's going to be true based on the bullets. The part you need to pay attention to is the sentence after the bullets before the answer choices. And I'll always start with the student wants to. So pay attention to the verb to the end. Present the significance of the Hart-Celler Act to an audience unfamiliar with the U.S. history of U.S. immigration. So what significance mean? It means important. So why was the Hart-Celler Act important? Let's see. To an audience unfamiliar with the history of U.S. immigration. So we're going to find out what it was. Answer is A. Almost 70% of the slots were reserved for immigrants from Great Britain, Ireland, and Germany at the time the Hart-Celler Act was proposed. Okay. Doesn't tell me what the Hart-Celler Act does. It sounds like it's going to change that 70% reserved for Great Britain, Ireland, and Germany, but we don't know how. Answer is B. Prior to the Hart-Celler Act, new immigration quotas were based on how many people from each country lived in the U.S. in 1890. So again, it implies that the Hart-Celler Act is going to be a quota, but it's not based on how many people from each country live in the U.S. in 1890. It's based on something else, but we don't know. We still don't know the significance, the importance of the Hart-Celler Act. Answer choice C. The quota system in place in the early 1960s was abolished by the 1965 Hart-Celler Act. Yeah, great. What was the quota system? Let's get to the point of it. I'm hoping it's D because I don't like any of their answer choices. Answer choice D. 1965, the Hart-Celler Act abolished the national origins quota system, which favored immigrants from Northern Europe. Finally, it tells me what the Hart-Celler Act did. So why was it significant or important? Like, at least we get what it did here with answer choice D. That's going to be our best answer because the other answer choices just tell you what it ended. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has difficulty with these bulleted questions. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Actually, check out our 1-minute video. If you go to IB Masters Learning Center, go to YouTube, go to the playlist. When you find a playlist, find your test and module number, and then find your question number. The shorter videos are going to be just below these longer videos. And click subscribe and check out this other bulleted question. Have a great day.